Wagwan me YouTube family, welcome back to another video in today's punch and natural juice series. So today we are gonna make some green smoothie, right guys? We're going to make a green smoothie. So we have here spinach, green apple, we have some Seamoss gel. I'll put a link in the top right corner so you can check out how to make the Seamoss gel from start to finish, very detailed. Alright guys, so first to start, we're going to wash our vegetable and our fruit or apple, right? So we wash the vegetable, the spinach, and we wash the apple. Afterwards, we're going to remove the seed of the apple and cut it into very small pieces so that it is easier to be blended, right guys. So after doing that, we're just going to go ahead and add everything to the blender. We're gonna add the apple, the spinach, a tablespoon or two depending on your preference of the Seamoss gel, and we're going to also add some banana. So depending on your serving size, the amount of people that you're serving for or you're preparing this green smoothie for, you know that you're going to have to increase the amount of vegetable or fruit that you add. So we're going to put everything in the blender. We're going to add some water. The water will allow the fruits and vegetable to be blended easily, right? So we're going to blend until it is smooth based on our preference. Guys, this is a very healthy, easy, and delicious green smoothie to make. It is very light on the stomach, right? So if you're going to go ahead and do some exercise in the morning, you can just consume this. It is not heavy on the stomach, it's very light on the stomach, right? So you know that you have a power punch right there, because you know that the Seamoss gel have over 92 plus minerals, right? It is also good for supporting gut health. It builds the immune system, help fight against cancer, and we know that we already know the banana already. Banana are the signature blend, right? So we know that banana is high in vitamin C, also magnesium, that is good for the skin, right? And potassium also for heart health and blood pressure. And you know that banana also aid in digestion and help to beat gastrointestinal issues, and it also provides you with energy, right? So that's a lot of beneficial source of vitamins and minerals that this fruit, or I should say fruits and vegetable, will supply the body with, right? It will fuel the body. And the spinach is high in vitamin K, A, and low in calories. I do hope you enjoy this video. If you do, give this video a thumbs up.